Hi, today I am going to teach you how to do salary sheet on your Android smartphone from the Excel app. So let's start the video. So at first you need to select the row and column, and then you need to do margin center, and then write salary sheet. Then select the salary sheet. Change the background color. Change the size of the letters and the word, and change the front color. Yeah, and then write name, basic, travel allowance, dearness allowance, then the HRA, house rent allowance, HRA, and then write gross, and then PF, write net. To the name section, put the names. I am writing the names from my mind. You can use any names from your mind. So Adil, and then I write Sheesh, Naz, and Rana, basic, to TA. Okay. So what is the TA formula? TA formula is uh, equals to basic into 10%. Yeah. Then drag here and drag. And now what is the DA formula? Basic into 20%. 20% of basic. Drag HRA. So into 30% of basic. Yeah. Here, check gross. So, what is the formula of gross? Equals to sum, first bracket open, basic is to HR. Yes. Now, yeah. And what is the formula of PF? Means provident fund, 5% of gross equals to uh, gross into 5%. And net, what is the formula of monthly salary? Equals to gross minus PF. PF. Yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, if you find this video helpful for you, please do subscribe my channel for such videos. Thank you.